In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Handout Master in Microsoft PowerPoint 2019 and 365. Understanding how to effectively use this feature can greatly enhance your presentation handouts, allowing you to convey your message in a clear and organized manner. So let's dive in. First things first, go ahead and open PowerPoint on your computer. Whether you're using Microsoft PowerPoint 2019 or the Microsoft 365 version, the steps we're going through will be the same, so you can follow along regardless of your version. Once you have PowerPoint open, navigate to your existing PowerPoint presentation. This is the one you want to create handouts for. Having that presentation ready is crucial because it will form the basis of your handout design. Next, let's head over to the View tab located on the PowerPoint ribbon. If you're new to this feature, it might not be immediately obvious why we're going to the View tab instead of, say, the Design tab. But rest assured, this is definitely where you'll find the tools you need for editing handouts. Once you're in the View tab, look closely and you'll see an option labeled Handout Master. Go ahead and click on Handout Master. Now you're in the Handout Master view. This is where the magic happens because here you have several options to tailor your handout exactly how you want. Take a minute to familiarize yourself with the controls in this view. You'll immediately notice options to change the orientation. This means you can choose between landscape or portrait layouts depending on what best suits your needs or preferences. Additionally, you have the option to adjust the size of your handouts. This can be particularly useful if you're targeting specific paper sizes like A4 or letter, depending on where you are in the world or your specific office requirements. And then perhaps one of the most powerful customization features, deciding how many slides you want to appear per page. This option is perfect for controlling how much information is on each page, enabling you to have anything from one large slide per page to multiple slides per page, depending on the detail you want for your readers. By using these features, you can ensure your handouts not only look professional, but are also a true reflection of your presentation's content. Once you're satisfied with your changes, you can easily print your handouts or save them as a PDF to share digitally. So there you have it, a streamlined process to making the most out of PowerPoint's Handout Master. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you in creating more effective and organized presentation handouts.